Salutations from the Dirty South. Today is Wednesday and it's the start of a 5-day battle royale between the Atlanta Dirty Bird Falcons and the New Orleans DATS Saints. Myself and the Georgia KnightRider swapped a bunch of tickets, and he's scratching my beloved Saints tickets and I'm scratching his Dirty Bird tickets. And we're going to see who wins before the big game on Sunday. So, on these Atlanta Falcons tickets, and I'm going to do them a solid. And I'm going to at least scratch them with a Georgia scratcher. Because I really do truly hope that he wins a bunch of money on these tickets. Because these tickets are not going to be indicative of the final score of that game. So, KnightRider, I hope I get you a big claimer victory this week. I really do, my friend. But I'm going to scratch with this Georgia scratcher. These Falcons tickets are actually, I think, maybe better than our Saints tickets because our top prize is only $100,000, and here you can win $350,000, which is insane for a $5 ticket. If you get a touchdown symbol, you instantly win 10 times the prize. How cool is that? And if you get the ATL, I guess that stands for Hotlanta, you automatically win all 20 prizes on the ticket. So let's get this rolling. Like KnightRider says, come on, jump up on these handlebars and let's see what we can win for you. We're going to start out with a 26, a 15, 11, 23, 25, 36, 1, and 20. 35, nope. 12, nope. No 10. We have a 21, no, we're going to one off with that 20. No 17. No 4, only no low numbers of 1. 31, we got a 36. 13, we got an 11 and a 15. 37, one off that 36. 2, one off the 1. 30, our only 10 is a 20. 32, nothing close. 5, nope. 14, one off the 15. 29, we have a 20, a 23, a 25, and a 26. 3, nope. 38, not today. 24, one off that 25. 34, and 8. So it looks like the first ticket is a bust. On to ticket number 2. Let's see if we can find us a symbol. 7, 26, 16, 28, 31, 21, 13, 37, 38, 28, 12, 27, 19, 33, 35, 4, 3, 22, and a 9. So no symbols. We're going to have to look for a number match. Do we have a 36? We have a 37, a 38, a 31, a 33, a 35. 24, we have 20, a 26, 21, 27, 28, 22. Nothing. 14, see a 13, 12, 19, no 14. 34. 31, 37, 38, 33, 35. Nope. 23. I don't remember seeing a 23 anywhere. One off that 22. 39. I don't believe I saw one of those either. 37, 38. 25. Nope. One off the 26. And a 10. We got a 20. And a 20. So it looks like day 1 is a bust. We will be back tomorrow with day 2. Next 2 tickets in the roll. And We'll see if we can get Georgia KnightRider a win. Until next time, may the odds be forever in your favor.